if you are into business, create these three types of offer, and that is do it for you offer, do it with you offer, and do it yourself offer. So do it for you is a way whereby maybe you have an agency, and instead of the person troubling about how can we set this up, they pay you instead. They don't mind the amount you charge. They are willing to pay you your worth to help them fix whatever loopholes is in their business. And do it with you is just a case whereby the person kind of pay for a course. So the person pay for a course and you give them a kind of accountability. So in this case, this is how I do mine. If I tell you that I work with you to fix your business and you can't afford to pay me, I have a course that can teach you that for lesser price and with accountability. So if you cannot pay this as well, then I have an offer for do it yourself. In this case, I'm selling you only course. You don't have to reach out to me. You just have to go and study the course by yourself, fix the mistakes by yourself, fix everything by yourself. And with this, if you cannot afford do it with you, do it for you, you'll definitely be able to afford do it yourself. So this is how to maximize every prospect that comes into your funnel. So instead of everybody leaving and saying, oh, they cannot pay me my worth, why not create what they want for them? And with this, you still have to work with them, even though it doesn't take your time.